Shalom, may the good Lord be with you. Let us meditate more and deeper in the presence of the Lord. Let us meditate on how we are and what is our surrounding. Today's message of the Lord is be aware of God's presence in your life. The Lord wants to tell us that regardless of your circumstance, regardless of what is happening around you, the Lord is speaking to you today. He is going to turn around everything. Your life will be a life full of grace. The Lord's love is going to envelop you. Let us accept the fact that God is blessing us today. One word that I received while meditating today is God is going to change your circumstances. Many individuals are sitting today hopeless, troubled, and disturbed that their circumstances are not working or there is nothing positive in their life. Today, the Lord is showing me that He will change everything and He will bless you. Let us make a short prayer. Lord, we thank you for everything. We surrender unto you. Bless, heal, deliver, and supernaturally bless each individual beyond their imaginations and ideologies. Harabashika Lagalagara Shile Galagalagara Baba Shile Galagalagala Raidalia Baba Shiri Galagalagara Shalagalagalagala Harababa Shikadagadagada. Shalom.